Hi, good morning. This is also Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. I was tasked to redesign my client's Mailchimp newsletter templates, and I would like to do some analysis. The first stuff is I would like to know how many users are using desktop to view their newsletters, and then how many users are using mobile device. And then the Mailchimp, you can find that out here. You can see about 50%, 52%, and 47%. I'll show you how you can find this out. And another interesting thing is Mailchimp has it's called click map, and it tells you which links are most popular. So obviously, when you look down, the YouTube links are pretty popular. People tend to click video. What I like this view is it's just like a map. It's easy to understand, and it's easy to present to my client. So I like to show you how you can find this out. So these are really good information or evidence for me to redesign their template. So let's dive in. So after you logged in, this is what you can see for the first time, dashboard. And then now I'd like to find out how many users are using desktop and versus mobile. So go to audience, and you see all contacts. Now my client has different types of audience. So let's see. So they have provincial members of parliament. So let's pick that and go to overview. And if you scroll down, so there's quite a bit data, you can take a look at it. And here, the top email clients, so in this case, 52% versus 47% on mobile. Now, what about different audience? So if you pick, let's say, membership, so their members could be different, right? So let's take a quick look here. Now, so the members are using, most of them are using desktop. So 84% versus 16%, right? So in that case, maybe they should have different design for different audience. I know it's a lot of work, but that's something they should consider. The next one is I'll show you how you can find out this click view map. So for the quick view map, so you go to campaign. And once again, so you can pick which audience. So I'm going to just check membership one, members. And then let's take a look at the newsletter. And then here, the view report. And then go to links here. Check that out. So now you can see links in this email, and this is just list view. However, they have it's called view click map, and you can find this out. So how many people click for certain links? So there looks like they're kind of all over the map. But obviously, people like to click on video. They like video content. You can also change order, most clicked. All right. Now let's kind of go back here. And this is a membership campaign. Now you can change that. If you have different types of audience, you can kind of go back to report. And then change that to, so let's say pick different, instead of members, let's pick followers. All right, so this is kind of same newsletter that they sent out to followers. So let's take a look. So click that view report and then links. And then so now you see different data here. So this is the same newsletter, but different audience. Now, so most of them don't really care about on the top. They kind of scroll down, and 37% just clicked on the YouTube video. So some members care about different things than followers, right? So followers obviously likes just clicking video content rather than others. You can see the focus is quite different. So none of them click the contribute to pick, which is like donation or join a membership. So they have to kind of change the strategy in terms of content and probably layout too. I know lots of nonprofit organizations using Mailchimp, and then this could be a bit advanced, but I think this is important. You spend a lot of time and energy to write content and send out your marketing campaign. However, lots of people don't really take a look at the report. So I think this is important, and I hope this helps. I really encourage you to just take a quick look at existing data and then do some analysis too. So I hope this helps. See you next time.